Welcome to Michael Bates Chevrolet, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with
keyless entry, rear view camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, parking sensors, heated front seats, roof rack, rear seat center armrest, alloy wheels, outside temperature display, speed sensing steering, and much more.
Michael Bates Chevrolet is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff that works as a team to make sure that our guests are taken care of from start to finish. So come see us today and find out why so many happy drivers choose Michael Bates Chevrolet. You'll be glad you did.